News Center. Time. Time. Time.
At the tone, Eastern Time will be 6:12 p.m. and 10 seconds.
Go back. Top stories.
Top stories. ABC News. I'm Chuck Sievertson. Stop driving model year 2006 Ranger pickup truck, says Ford. A recall of tens of thousands of them because of a higher risk of Takata airbag inflators exploding, sending shrapnel everywhere. Asking about President Trump's tweets about the lives of men accused of domestic violence being shattered, ABC's Cecilia Vega to White House spokesperson Sarah Sanders.
These Rob Porter's accusers, or are they lying? Look, as I just said, the president, along with the entire administration, take domestic violence very seriously and believe all allegations need to be thoroughly investigated. And above all, the president supports the victims of domestic violence and believes everyone should be treated fairly and with due process.
Senate Republican Majority Leader Mitch McConnell throws his support to an immigration proposal by conservatives that mirrors President Trump's, protecting DACA immigrants from deportation, billions for border security, ending the diversity visa lottery program, and chain family migration. An update on Wall Street. This is ABC News.
Say another news center category. For example, technology.
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 From ABC News Tech Trends, one city in California is turning to license plate readers to help combat crime.
A sort of virtual surveillance wall.
At a cost of $500,000, 13 fixed cameras will be mounted to area bridges and tunnels with one purpose in mind. Alameda Police Chief Paul Rolleri says crime has gone up 12% in the last year.
This is about pushing the needle back and trying to reduce a recent spike in property crimes.
And this doesn't just pertain to crimes committed within city limits.
It could be a stolen vehicle that was stolen in another city somewhere, and then that car comes into Alameda, or that license plate comes into Alameda. We will be alerted.
Other cities have seen as much as a 34% drop in property crimes since the readers were installed 4 years ago. And for those who are worried that Alameda might share its license plate data with federal immigration officials,
We do not share our license plate reader database with ICE. It specifically has been turned off.
with Tech Trends, I'm Michelle Franzen, ABC News.
Say another news category. For example, business.
Good Lord. You can't make that up. You can't make that up. You could have a team of experts on it for 40 years and you couldn't make that up. Oh, and as for this license plate thing, crooks have been gumming up or changing the license plates on cars since the 40s. Good luck, son. You have just made yourself a brand new obsolete item. All right, you can't make this up. You honestly can't make this up. Domestic violence. Wasn't that the topic of the day? The whole point of the interview? Oh, my eyes just rolled when I heard that. Oh my. Oh dear God. Later, folks.